Okay, guys, let's see my genie. What happened to my friend? You guys, you got nothing to eat. I already give him. That is pudding. Pudding, you just finish your bath. Huh? Come on. Okay. See what happened to my friend? Who's supposed to be responsible for this? Genie. Huh? Genie, no. No, no. You see, I need to buy new one. Okay, Ariel. Well, I see not only you, Genie. I see Budin also. Kiss. Hello. How are you? Hello. Budin. Budin. Come on. Budin. Okay, that is Budin. Hello. That is Genie. You know, see my boys, you see? Oh my god. You know, this friend is my favorite friend, which is one of my favorite idols, Christina Aguilera. She went to my country for her private concert, so this only thing I had. But my boys, my dinosaur. Hello. Jenny, how are you? Happy bird. Happy bird. No. Ariel? Ariel, come on. Ariel? Here is Ariel. Okay, so see you guys.